exactly 10 a.m. in the morning. We're here in the Tagum City Hall. Hey yo, what's up bro?
Pinapit tayo. Ito na to.
Kami lang ang nasa bus. Pagmamayari namin ng bus na to. Oh, ito pasok. Morning.
Kailan mamatay dari ako ano? Muna ka agad ID. Oh. 5%.
Ay, pero po kayo.
Ito na oras ba? 5 ba?
Sa likod.
Sa likod. Straight lang. Dito ko ngayon yan sa exterior design. Tingnan natin ang exterior ng structure ng building ng City Hall of Tagum. So, tara. First,
Nakikita natin dito, green window. Constructing mass, repetition of line, vertical and horizontal. Tapos makikita natin, landscaping, landscape. So tara, pasok tayo. Hinahanap natin dito yung elements, yung elements of design, principle. Dito, papasok na tayo. And where makikita nyo, curved lines. Although unfinished pa siya, pero we're seeking for good. Kita natin ang design ng stair, dog leg, post, wall stand ang ngayong value, medyo solid. Exterior of City Hall of Tagum, under construction pa. Electrical, dito natin. Ayan. Explain ko kung ano ang balance dito. Constructing of mass is repetition of line. Yan. Vertical. Tapos pagdating dito, may poste na naman. Repetition of line again. Pagdating dyan is constructing of line. Yung harmony. Tapos balance pa rin siya. Proportion. Makikita natin dito yung repetition of curved lines. Yung traces niya. Curve. So para siyang picture nakabaliktad. Tapos, yung oval form ng traces, nakikita natin. Repetition pa rin siya, repetition of oval. Yung glass, instead of metal, they use glass for more architectural design and architectural value. So, identify pa natin kung anong meron dito. Yung ceiling. So although it is connected to the roofing, as you can see, the curved lines of elements of design is the shape, oval, yung process sa taas, yung foundation na naman ng ating combination of platonic shape, the rectangle is here. Rectangle. So, nilagyan ng poste, one of the platonic shape, cylinder. Pagtapos dito, yung curve siya na rectangle. So, ma-observe nyo, yung platonic shape, yung cylinder, pag tinignan mo siya dito, pag tinignan mo siya dito, para siyang oblique.
First of all, we are here in the outer or the exterior design of New City Hall, and we see the building. They are the same, left and right, and the windows are balanced, and the foundations are balanced too, and the foundations in left and right are balanced, and they use one of the platonic shape called cylinder. The cylinder is that shape, and and they use contrasting of mask the vertical lines, and you see the curve in front of that is a form like circle. That's the exterior design of New City Hall, Tagum.
Dito tayo ngayon sa labas ng New City Hall of Tagum. Nakikita nyo guys, punta kayo dyan ha. Huwag kayong gagalaw. At tingnan nyo naman ang design ng mga parang mga titigas sa tao na yan. Siguro nakikita nyo rin yan sa People's Park, kagaya rin yan ang design. Isa lang rin yan, nakikita nyo, siguro isa lang din ang artist, yung artist ng Davao, si Kublai. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
And yun, nakita nyo yung parang may pinupukpok at violin sila. At yung iba naman, yun nga rin, parang concept nito, parang sa musika ata. At yun nga, may nagkatambol. At ito. Parang yun nga.
Nakita nyo ba yung malaking parang binaliktad na umbrella? Makikita nyo dyan yung yung repetition of line, yung horizontal. Nakita nyo yung yung nasa likod niyan.
Oh!
Yeah. Horizontal, tapos vertical. Tapos nakita nyo yung
Super speeds.
yung baluster ng hagdanan. Parang
Arch.
parang arts ang niya. Shapes, tapos napaka-unique kasi
Bakit? Dito lang natin makikita sa Philippines.
It's more fun.
nakita nyo ba yung hagdanan? Napaka-unique kasi pwede palang gamitin yung arts niya na yung arts para sa
Handle. Para maging handle.
Pwede pala gamitin yung arts niya para sa baluster. Tingnan nyo, napakaganda. It's a very unique. What? Unique.
You can see this is the main road before entering the City Hall of Tagum. When you enter the City Hall of Tagum, there's a beautiful landscape there, as you can see. Now, take a picture of it. Now, video it. And then, yung daan papasok sa City Hall of Tagum, straight lang siya para sa mga... Now, sige. Okay? Yan. Yan. Para siya, ang purpose niyan, para hindi siya confusing sa mga visitors or clients ng City Hall of Tagum. Yes. Tingnan nyo doon. Nilagyan din siya ng... Ang architect ito, matalino rin, nilagyan ng mga landscape papasok para pleasing in the eye. Yeah. Now, look at my foot. Now,
I never loved nobody fully. Always one foot on the ground. And by protecting my heart truly, I got lost in the sounds I hear in my mind. All of these voices I hear in my mind. All of these words I hear in my mind. All of this music, and it breaks my heart. And it breaks my heart. And it breaks my heart. When it breaks my heart. Suppose I never ever met you.
ang sa recovery.
Nabuhang ng to, drive.
Cambia.
Vamos, baby.
Sapato ba yan?
Okay, sakit to yun. Oops. Oops.
Lumba na, tanong, lumba.
Trust.
Lumba.
Kaya, ulaw kayo. Sige, Carlo.
Yun, si Carl.
Abi ko rin ko, gago.
Magkaya tayo.